moving towards a sustainable and prosperous future. ROHM is actively supporting the development of society and the enrichment of people's lives by helping to solve a wide range of social issues through electronics. This company mission forms the foundation of ROHM. Our objective is the advancement and progress of culture through a consistent supply of high-quality products. And we have constantly refined our electronics technology with an unwavering spirit of challenge. It all began in 1958. ROHM was established in Kyoto as a specialized manufacturer of compact resistors. Seeing the future possibilities of semiconductors, we took on the challenge of developing ICs. ROHM became the first Japanese company with a presence in Silicon Valley, thanks to proven expertise and a willingness to take risks, growing into a comprehensive semiconductor manufacturer through a succession of market-leading products. Today, we contribute to solving issues faced by our customers and society, with a broad lineup centered on our strengths in power and analog technologies. As we move into the future, ROHM continues to take on new challenges. A number of global issues must be addressed to achieve a sustainable society. Semiconductors are vital to improve the efficiency of motors and power supplies, which account for most of the world's electricity consumption. ROHM is working to solve social issues by focusing on key technologies, including power semiconductors that can handle large currents and analog semiconductors enabling precise power control. By accelerating technological development of the world's most advanced silicon carbide power and analog semiconductors, while providing more effective solutions, we are contributing to the realization of a carbon-free society. Improving the performance of power and analog semiconductors also helps to reduce peripherals like batteries and cooling devices, making miniaturization possible. ROHM utilizes original microfabrication technology to develop many of the world's smallest devices. And as the world faces dwindling resources, we are contributing to customer downsizing of all types of products. As autonomous driving and other technological innovations in the automotive sector accelerate, ensuring occupant safety has become an important issue. ROHM thoroughly pursues safe performance at the semiconductor level. By providing products that support functional safety to help prevent accidents, we are contributing to a safer, more secure mobile society. Underlying ROHM's innovative manufacturing is a vertically integrated production system in which all processes, from material procurement to assembly, are carried out within the ROHM Group. Injecting a high level of quality into every process ensures robust traceability and an optimized supply chain. Even now, ROHM's manufacturing continues to evolve. One example is flexible production lines. These highly automated state-of-the-art production lines eliminate human intervention, minimizing variable factors to achieve even higher quality. ROHM is further ensuring stable supply by accelerating manufacturing innovation and supply chain optimization. To achieve a sustainable society, we will continue to work on solving social issues through our business activities, while also actively contributing to cultural progress based on a variety of corporate efforts, such as by supporting music culture. Doing what we can to contribute to the future. Electronics for the future. Going forward, ROHM will continue to solve various social issues through electronics to support the development of society and the enrichment of people's lives.